Hello everyone, there is a world-renowned block machine manufacturer in China. Their block machines are large capacity, high quality and automation, favored by customers around the world. Do you know which manufacturer it is? Yes, it's Qunfeng. After 25 years of technological innovation, Qunfeng has become the leading manufacturer of block machines in the world. Every year, hundreds of block production lines are manufactured here and exported to different countries and regions of the world. And this export number is still dramatically increasing year by year. Wow! Are you as curious as I am? How exactly is this outstanding achievement made? Then please follow me to explore this super factory. A workman must sharpen his tool before he can do his work well. Therefore, focusing on customers' needs, Qunfeng has been committed to providing the optimal and integrated block production solution. Blocks can be produced not only with regular raw material such as cement and sand, but also with material after specially treated such as construction waste and industrial waste. Highly automated production can be realized from batching, block forming to cubing. They are widely used in the production of various types of blocks and bricks such as paving bricks, curbstones, grass planting bricks, slope protection bricks, permeable bricks, and wall blocks. So far, more than 8,000 users from 112 countries and regions have selected Qunfeng machinery. The output, quality, applicability, and degree of automation are all key indicators for their final selection. Most of the accessories for the equipment can be found here. They are sorted, labeled, and stored neatly in this blue warehouse. In this material preparation workshop, mechanical parts will be processed, such as cutting, bending, and drilling. Both fiber cutting machine and laser cutting machine have excellent performance, which make the processed parts free of burrs and smooth. This is particularly important because the details determine the quality. With the advanced and accurate processing equipment such as high-precision gantry milling and CNC processing equipment, the processing level is more outstanding. They are more adept at handling precision parts. Take gantry milling, for example. Its machining accuracy can be controlled within 0.01 millimeters, which enables it to perfectly handle various special parts with strict precision requirements. And this gantry milling has an automatic tool changing device, which greatly improves the processing efficiency, especially batch processing. Thousands of carefully processed parts will be reorganized here and assembled into a semi-finished machine. As you can see now, they could be a supersonic block machine, terrazzo tile machine, hydraulic forming machine, or independent cuber, and so on. In fact, until now, the equipment is not ready to be put into production. They must pass rigorous testing and debugging before working for the new owner. As we all know, block machines can produce different shapes and sizes blocks by changing modes. The reason why our modes can be sold well all over the world is that we have strong research and development capability, careful material selection, and excellent performance processing equipment. This automatic heat treatment plant is for mold processing. After fully automated carburizing and nitriding treatment, the hardness and quality of molds have been greatly improved. And there's another big guy, environmental protection shot blasting machine. It is a derusting expert. Its another praiseworthy ability is to increase the fatigue resistance of machine parts while removing rust. The enclosed painting room has great vacuum vanish function. Meanwhile, because of the enclosed treatment, dust pollution can be minimized, making the workshop cleaner and spray paint process more environmentally friendly. The sales center is a bridge connecting Qunfeng with the world. There are sales elites who can speak English, French, Russian, Arabic, Spanish, Korean, and other languages, providing customers with the most professional construction equipment solutions at any time. In addition, Qunfeng has 7 overseas service offices and 24 domestic offices to jointly build a complete service system. Striving to provide the most efficient and perfect global service for customers. The production base covers 215,000 square meters with complete living facilities for employees, so that employees can enjoy their life while working hard and contributing their wisdom. We regularly hold a birthday party here for the employees whose birthdays are in that month. Now, Qunfeng is committed to building an informationalized smart factory, trying to redefine a new business prospect. In the near future, corresponding to higher and higher automated production is an increasingly convenient ordering mode, which will greatly save customers time and cost. Now, with the construction boom all over the world, I believe that Qunfeng people are bound to use their wisdom and efforts to provide endless power for this area. I sincerely hope you can come to experience this super factory.
Estoy aquí para usted.
Я жду вас здесь. نحن هنا لكم.
On est là pour vous.
See you in Qunfeng.
I am here for you.